Time to go get some food.
I'm ready. I'm excited for barbecue.
Some barbecue
I have
time.
not had barbecue in a long time.
Today we are checking out the Mammoth, located at the Smokehouse 41 in the city of Oakers. One of our followers recommended this spot, so here we are after spending the whole day at Yosemite.
He's trying to make himself look like Frank Gallagher.
So we're gonna try to get the Mammoth family platter. It comes with one rack of ribs, half a pound of chicken, half a pound of tri-tip, brisket, pork and sausage, 2 sides. We're gonna add some fries for that guy. Don't let the long lines fool you. Smokehouse 41 is a family-friendly restaurant. You can either dine in or take it to go. Can we do the Mammoth?
Yeah.
To go.
And then for that Mammoth,
You excited for the weenie? No, like sausage is kind of my thing. Some big back activities here, guys. So we got the Mammoth here. Let's see what we got over here. We got some brisket. We got some chicken. Some sausage. We got a 4 rack of ribs. We got the salsa. 6 spreads. We got the twice baked potatoes casserole, and we got some coleslaw. We got some butter right there. This is only for a low cost of $125. Oh, we got the pickles too. And we also got the 41 Baker potato here. We got the jalapeno mac and cheese. Look at this. We got some brisket, baked beans. Oh.
That's spicy and sweet and tangy.
Okay, so
That's a spicy.
my cousin got sweet and tangy, and my sister got spicy. Yeah, baby. Today, we feast. Nope. Now let's dig in. No tenderness. Tenderness taste.
Tenderness and foam.
No tenderness.
It's been a while. No? Place like this I'm going to. We don't know places like that.
Like
close
that?
by.
Not barbecue.
No, it's not Lucille's, you know?
Yeah.
Lucille's is not really. It's good, but it's not. The twice baked potato casserole.
It's good?
God.
Do you guys know any good bar?
Other than the seals I tried, we always just pass by.
There's one in Duarte where Sonic is. There's one that se llama, I think it's Dickie's Barbecue.
Mhm.
I wonder if it's good.
Is it where the cookie plug used
Yeah,
to be?
next to it.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Oh, the Hong Kong? Oh my god, that's my spot. I love that spot. Yeah.
A real Hong Kong?
A line of like franchise or whatever. I think they're really good because the one was from Hong Kong. And they don't have to be the same.
When I was younger, I didn't make those.
Did you get your rib, Ash?
Yeah, I got my rib right here. It was so good.
I'm American info. You go get me that. I don't say yeah, but we're here at breakfast.
Say less. Midnight snack?
Nah.
Barbecue.
Should we do a coffee shop in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
How would you guys feel about that's like after we check out?
Not that far. Setting the vibe, baby.
The ambiance.
And that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed to the end, thank you guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Maybe we'll check out one of your spots. Until then, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.